In this video, I'm going to give you some tips to help you improve your running technique. If you have any existing injuries, you should seek professional advice from an ERI or biomechanics expert. It is important that your shoes fit well and are appropriate to your running gait. An experienced running shop can help you with this. Looking at an old pair of trainers can also show you where they are worn and indicates your running gait. I would also advise that you don't try and change everything at once, as this could lead to niggles or injuries. Instead, take a few tips and try to include them gradually into days when you feel fresh, as running when fatigued tends to lead to poor technique. Firstly, starting with the head, ensure it is kept still and you're looking straight ahead with your eyes concentrating on the ground. Dropping the head or tilting back will change your centre of gravity. Number 2. The shoulders should be kept nice and relaxed so that the arms can also be relaxed. Avoid swinging the arms across the body as this may waste energy. Instead, keep them moving forwards. For faster speeds or hills, you'll want to drive the arms a bit faster. Number 3. Posture. You should have a slight forwards lean. It should feel like you're falling forwards into the next step. This is achieved by a slight tilt of the hips. Gravity and momentum will then help with a more efficient running technique. Number 4. Your hips should be nice and level and you should have a feeling of running tall. Number 5. Ensure your knees are tracking in line with your hips and ankles. Have someone watch you from behind while running. If your knees are dropping in and you flick your feet out to the side, this is a sign of imbalance and you may develop Achilles issues. If the knees are turning out and you have more duck feet, this could lead to runners' knee issues. In either case, seek more professional help as mentioned before. Number 6. Your foot landing is important as this is where energy is transferred into speed. As mentioned before, it is important to look at your running gait and see which trainers would best support this. Essentially, the gait identifies which part of the foot you mainly use. Ideally, you want to push off your forefoot, because any heel striking causes braking and can lead to injuries due to the impact going through the heel. This can be one of the hardest parts to change, but it is always good to have an awareness and get some professional help if required. Number 7. As the ankle hits the ground, it should be flexed. Imagine your toes pointing towards the shin. This helps with energy transfer and can make you more efficient and a faster runner. It helps to create a feeling of a circular running motion, which is a technique that you want. Rather than plodding or bouncing, the leg turnover should feel circular. Again, this could take a while for you to develop, but it will be well worth it. Number 8. Stride cadence is how many times your feet hit the ground over 1 minute. An ideal range is 170 to 180 steps per minute. You can try and count every other step, but nowadays most smartwatches can help you do this. This will all help again with your efficiency and speed of running. The more force you're able to put through each step will lead to faster running, and the less time spent in contact with the ground, the quicker you will also be. If you tend to overstride, this can strain the muscles and can lead to injuries. A good practice is to shorten your stride and make sure you're pulling your feet up towards the bum. And lastly, try and control your breathing and breath from the diaphragm with deep and long breaths. Try and breathe through both the mouth and the nose. Don't worry about trying to do all of these techniques at once. Try and work on 1 or 2 at a time and get someone else to have a look at your technique or film yourself from behind while on a treadmill. If you can make these improvements to your technique, it will help to reduce injuries and improve your overall running performance.